Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys quickly how I curl my luscious hair. As I mentioned in my previous video, I received this hair from Lavy hair. I have a 22, 20, 18 and 16 lace closure in. I'm going to show you guys exactly how I curled it. I only used my heat protector, which is the Slick Elements Strength and Silk Coconut Heat Protection Spray. So this is the one I use, if it will focus. And that's pretty much it. And then I went ahead and curled it with my curling wand. I know people will ask me what curling wand I use, so here it is. I use the Conair U-Curl curling wand. So it looks like this. And that is pretty much what I use. To be very honest, whenever I curl my hair, I'm literally all over the place. Like, I'll start here, then go to this side, do some in the middle. Like, I'm not as organized when I curl my hair. So I'm just showing you guys how I did it on my head. It might not be the right routine or whatever, but this is how it works for me. Okay, so yeah, let's not talk too much. Go ahead and enjoy this video. Make sure to also look in the description box. I have all the details about the hair there, and I do have a coupon code for you guys, so make sure to make use of it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.
Bella Bricks.